Sorry about that, y'all. I'm back. I was saying the neighbors across the street got to be ecstatic because these are homeowners. Could you imagine those decades of them hearing all the shit that was going on over here? Ugh. I mean, you just got to look and go, what is it with people who I guess don't make that much money? Like more people that are in impoverished situations, why do they have to act like animals? I don't get it. Why just because you have lower income, why do you have to act ghetto? Why? Why do you have to be messy?